Former Bengal cheerleader and teacher Sarah Jones wins her defamation case against TheDirty.com.
She was awarded $338,000, but appeals could change that. And the ruling could have a chilling impact on internet postings. 9 on Your Side reporter Tom McKee joins us live now to sort out the implications. Tom?
Well, Carol, this case went to trial because of Judge William Bertelsman's rulings that Sarah Jones could sue TheDirty.com because it encourages third-party postings. Now, that goes against the Communications Decency Act of 1996, which protects website operators in those cases. So appeals courts are going to have to sort this out, maybe even the U.S. Supreme Court. Meanwhile, the websites right now could feel the sting of this very clearly.
The internet just got changed for the better by a very brave and smart jury.
We have a real freak circumstance here, and we're going to fix it.
Predictable reactions Thursday as jurors awarded Sarah Jones $338,000 in damages to her reputation from third-party postings on TheDirty.com.
I'm very, very happy that Judge Bertelsman allowed this process to go on and that they were able to hear that and make their decision.
Dave Gingras, representing editor Nick Ritchie, says he'll appeal based on Judge Bertelsman's ruling.
Laws in this country are made by our Congress that are elected representatives from the people. Laws are not made by federal judges. As powerful as they are, they cannot disregard Congress, which is what happened.
Jones attorney Eric Dieters predicts an immediate impact on what he termed cyberbullies.
They now have to be thinking to themselves, okay, you know what? We can say what we want, we can give opinions, we can be mean and nasty, but you can't defame.
First Amendment lawyer Jack Greiner compared the jury's decision to a bookstore owner being held liable for selling a book with defamatory material. He says that's wrong and the impact will be swiftly felt.
I think in all likelihood it will have some impact on website operators probably being more aggressive in terms of screening and editing third-party posts.
It should never have gotten to a jury. The case should have been dismissed.
That's the feeling of Frost Brown Todd attorney Monica Diaz, who says she believes the internet will now become a free-for-all for website operators.
They will allow all kinds of comments on the website. They will not moderate it at all. They will not try to encourage or discourage anything.
Now, the 10 jurors in this case declined to talk on camera, but someone who has spoken with them told me that they were 10-0 in favor of the first question, which was, did Sarah Jones prove that the allegations against her were false? They were 9-1 last night and 10-0 this morning on the question of actual malice. The most of the time, though, was spent on deciding how much money to award her. Tom McKee, 9 on Your Side, live in Covington.